Hi everyone, Nathan here at MJS Cars. Today I want to show you around this 2012 Volvo S60. It is the 2-litre diesel R-Design model. It comes in this fantastic metallic grey. Overall, the bodywork on the car is in good condition. The car also comes on these really nice diamond cut alloys. Inside, you get this beautiful R-Design interior. The car also comes with front heated seats, Bluetooth hands-free and cruise control. In the back, really nice clean interior. It also has the ISOFIX anchor points and rear electric windows. Car comes with an excellent service history that includes having the timing belt changed this year. If you have any questions about the car or you'd like to book a test drive, please feel free to get in touch.